Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a little bit of vlogging, and sorry if it looks like the camera is a little out of focus. I have a new lens. I don't know if you can tell, but like the background is kind of blurry and I'm kind of in love with it. So yeah, I'm going to be doing a little bit of vlogging. I'm going to be organizing my like filming beauty room setup, or cleaning it. I'm not gonna be filming it. I'm gonna be filming me cleaning it because it is an actual disaster. I have a whole new setup happening, so you're gonna see that in a second. It's a really big accomplishment to have all of this. Sorry, this is like an awkward angle. I was trying to open up my blinds because it's a little bit dark in here. But focus. I have to leave here, and I have to leave my house in a few hours. So I figured I would just clean my beauty room with you while I have time. So I'm about to show you this. Please don't judge me. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you will have known that I just recently suffered a miscarriage, and I had already started to change what used to be, hello focus, I had already started to change what used to be my walk-in closet into a nursery, and then, you know, we went through that, and I had to move. Obviously, I had to move all of my clothes and stuff back into there and, you know, clean it out. So I had moved all of my clothes and stuff into here. Long story short, both of these rooms are a freaking disaster. I need to clean this room. And it literally looks like I have a mustache. I hate that about summertime because I have like freckles right here. And this is where I sweat the most. So like when I wear sunscreen, this just like wipes off so quick. And it gets sun. Like this is one of the only places on my face that like will really get sun in the summer, besides like my nose. And I have like little teeny freckles right here, so it looks like I have a mustache, but I don't. It's just my freckles. So please don't move around. Yes, I'm about to show you this disaster. Don't judge me, because I'm gonna clean it. Also, I'm gonna show you my little setup that I have going on because I'm literally so excited. Okay. Okie doke. So these are my new lights that I got. I'm so excited. These are two softbox lights, and then I have one over top. I got this backdrop holder. Obviously this was something from the walk-in closet that I'm gonna have to move back over. This is like just a little rack that I have the hats on. That's going out. I'm gonna make this a cute background so that I can do either backdrops or backgrounds, whatever I want to do. Those are two pieces of insulation over there. I got that hack from Desi Perkins to put on each side of you when you're filming to keep all the light in. And then there's this. Literally, it's a freaking disaster. And also, we just went to the beach, so like my makeup and stuff is still in my little carry-on. So yeah, it's just a disaster. Also, these are shelves that Neil put up for me that I need to organize and get looking right. I got rid of my Alex drawers. I had them for 4 years or so, and they served me, and I didn't need them anymore. I want to be able to put all of my, I'm going to keep most of my makeup here because I have a mirror that I can just get ready, and then all my makeup will be there, you know, when I film. But I want to be able to display my makeup, you know, to where I can see it, so I'm inspired and all of that good stuff. So I need to do something about this because there's my little TikTok light. It's just a freaking mess. So yeah, that is what I'm going to be doing with you guys today. So I hope you guys enjoy. Give this video a thumbs up and a like if you liked it. And yeah, let's get this room under control.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head.
Okay, so I have really cleaned a lot. I'm gonna turn you around and show you. So this is what it's currently looking like. That little basket right there that's underneath the makeup, I still have to organize that and everything, but I still have meat. Hold on, I have a YouTube video playing in the background while I'm talking. So that little basket right there is giveaway stuff. So I'm collecting a lot of giveaway stuff, stuff that I know that I'm not going to use, like duplicates of stuff, things that I have similar to already. I have a lot of makeup, and I would prefer to be able to give some back to you guys that watch my videos. So I am still organizing this. This is still a freaking mess. And then there's a little bit of stuff over there, but other than that, it's like super clean in here, and obviously all that stuff that I just took out there. But this mirror is just here for now. Charlie broke my mirror, my big one, a long time ago, and Neil got me this just for like temporarily, and then I ended up getting another mirror, so I just still have this cute little one for no reason really. It's just, you know, I just have it. But I am gonna get a big mirror for here eventually. Also, my little TikTok light is right there. I need to do something with that little tiny mirror that's right there. Like I said, I still need to organize all of this stuff. And yeah, I am like super happy with it. I'm just glad that like this room, I have it set up to where like this can still be like up. Like those lights are just gonna stay there all the time. I think eventually I'm gonna try to move this big one that goes over top over there. So there's more room to walk like right here, but I'm not gonna do that right now. So yeah, I'm just gonna like finish organizing this, and then we will be donezo.
I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it. And we may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces.
The video setting was on like really, like on a really dark setting. Anyway, I wanted to go ahead and show you guys how far I got today, because I really did clean the crap out of this room, and I still need to vacuum, but we made tons of progress. So I'm gonna turn you around so you can see what I did. Okay, focus. I'm so used to my other camera. It does not take that long to focus. I had to get a new lens. Anyway, so this is my little filming setup. There's just some like extra products right there. Everything else is pretty much what I use all the time. Like I said, I have my lights there. And then I ended up doing this. This is just like an extra little vase. I don't really know what to do with yet. Also with these, they're just like extra little decor pieces. I just don't really know what to do with them. But typically those would not be there, and it would just be my first little note that I got from a sponsorship. A little letter of my name, some decor. This is a little eyeliner that I've had forever. It's so old, but I just think it's so cute. Hold on, focus. There it is. It's a pretty vulgar eyeliner, and it's so cute. So I just have that for decor because it's so cute. It's so old. I would never use it, but Anyway, and then I have like a little Tatcha box right there just because it's cute. Have all of my Jaclyn Hill stuff right there. I got one of her highlighters from her collection. So yeah, I got one of her highlighters from her palette. From her brand. I have her Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette. I have all of her palettes right here from the Vault collection with Morphe. Then I have my little Laura Lee stuff. I have a little Laura Lee loose highlighter that I need to put right here, but I either left it at my mom's when we went to the beach or my sister has it. And then all of the lipsticks that fill the rest of this up are in my purse from when we just went to the beach. I have extra primers and serums and stuff right there, foundations. And then I don't really know what I'm going to do with this bottom shelf just yet. I have a ton of makeup. Like I said, this all just came out of here. It just doesn't go in here. So just bear with me. Yes. Okay, so this little table right here that I had in my beauty room, I just thought it would look better out here. And I still have a crap ton of products in here that I need to get out. So, yeah, that's all just like extra products, lipsticks, foundations, things like that in there. So I need to take all that stuff out and put it out. So yeah, I think I'm going to get another little storage area to put in there, and I'll show you guys in a second what I would do with it. Yeah, but so far, and that's my walk-in closet, you don't even want to know what's happening in there. So yeah, that is still full of some makeup that I need to take out and put in here. But like I said, that's just a little basket of giveaway stuff that I am accumulating. And then like I said, these little bounce boards, which is just insulation. Got that trick from Desi Perkins. That little piece of decor is probably going to go behind me here. So it can be behind me when I'm filming. Those hats are going to go. That shelf is probably going to go. I might put it over there. I'm really not sure yet. So yeah, that is, and I just need to vacuum. So yeah, and then I'm going to get a big mirror for right there as well. And this closet is storage for all of my wedding stuff and bridal party stuff, engagement party stuff, like things that I'm just buying and things that my mom is buying until we tie the knot. So yeah, I am really happy with the way that everything turned out, like with my lights and my little filming setup and everything like that. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this cleaning video. I really don't know how the lighting situation was, because I know the lighting changed a few times, and also my camera was on like a really dim setting for video, so I really don't know how this video turned out. I hope it turned out pretty good. But yeah, if you guys want an in-depth tutorial of like my filming setup, like my whole area where I film, just let me know, because I would gladly do that for you guys, like my lights and all of that jazz. I would gladly do that for you. Just let me know if that's something that you guys would want to see. And yeah, like I said, give this video, oh, also with the giveaway, or like with the giveaway stuff that I'm accumulating, I have a lot of more stuff that I'm going to add to that in a second. So I am going to do a giveaway in this video as well. So if you made it to the end, congrats. All you have to do is comment. Let's see, let's make it something that nobody would know. So you have to watch the video to know it. Comment down below what your favorite color is. And you will be entered to win. Also, go over to my Instagram, give me a follow, and I'm going to post a picture. It will already be on my Instagram. I will pop it up right here, or you can just go to my Instagram and see. I'll post it the day that I make this video go live. So all you have to do is go over to my Instagram, give me a follow. You have to be following me, and tag 3 friends on the comments, or in the comments on my newest photo. That's all you have to do. Comment down below on this video what your favorite color is. Go to Instagram, and I'll leave all of the details in the description box as well. Go to Instagram, you must be following me, and tag 3 friends in my new photo. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Good luck on the giveaway. Give this video a like if you liked it. And subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see all of you in my next video. Mwah!